Like that. I'm going to one head, Rosie. Handheld.
If you're wondering who is filming,
I just said that, handheld. That street map's gonna come. Not really. Increase the ISO. It's like 4,000 if you have it. To be fair.
right, there's a few coming now. 3 coming now.
3 coming up. It's still blurry, JJ. What?
Ready? Go.
I didn't touch my camera for the entirety of it taking a shot there.
It's good.
It's alright. That's the photo. Maybe if I should drop the darkness down. It's on a 2-second timer, so I don't touch it.
Right, I'd press it now.
Okay, it's taking. Not touching it. It's on an 8-second timer. Come on, please.
That's the one. I like it.
So that was me taking photos in Rome before COVID-19 broke out. I won't lie, it's not my best photos. I got a few nice ones of the Colosseum at night, but overall I felt the photos were a bit sort of mediocre and average. Not as good as my Venice attempt anyway, but it's all practice, isn't it, I suppose. That's why I leave my failed attempts in there, so you can see that not every photo somebody takes is a banger. People do take awful photos before they get that one peak one. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, be sure to leave a like. Check out my other videos on this channel, as I tend to do a bit more travelling stuff on here. If you're into Pokemon, check out my other channel, and I'll see you next time for another video. Bye!